Have you ever clicked a download button only to see the message, "This version of IDM does not support this type of downloading"? It's frustrating, especially when you just want the file quickly. Today, I'll show you a simple, reliable fix that works in 2025. No complicated settings, no extra software, just a quick method you can use anytime this error shows up. So let's jump straight into it. When you click a download button and IDM throws that error, don't panic. Instead, right-click on the download button and choose Inspect. This will open your browser's developer tools. You'll immediately see a highlighted section of code related to the button you selected. Inside that section is the direct download link. And this is exactly what IDM needs. All you have to do is copy that link. Then open IDM, click Add URL, paste the link, and hit Start Download. Just like that, IDM bypasses whatever was causing the original error and grabs the file directly. This method works on most sites where IDM fails to detect the correct link automatically. It's a simple trick, but it saves so much time, especially when you're downloading videos, large files, or anything hosted behind scripts or custom buttons that IDM can't interpret on its own. If this quick fix helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more solutions just like this. I post easy tech fixes that actually work, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.